Hello everyone, and welcome to the closing session of our course on automated testing. We've covered a lot of ground, from the basics of test automation to advanced techniques. And now we'll wrap up with some final thoughts and explore potential areas for further study. Let's get started. We started with the fundamentals of test automation, learning why it's essential to modern software development and how it can significantly enhance the efficiency of our testing process. We've seen firsthand how automating repetitive tasks can save time, reduce errors, and allow software development teams to focus on more complex challenges. As technology evolves, so does the landscape of automated testing. It's crucial to stay updated with the latest tools, trends, and best practices. Engaging with the community through forums, webinars, and conferences can also provide fresh insights and keep your skills sharp. For those who wish to dive deeper, several advanced topics can further enhance your skills as a test automation engineer. These include performance testing with tools like JMeter, security testing with OWASP Zap, and mobile testing with Appium. Another exciting frontier is the integration of AI and machine learning in test automation. AI can help predict where faults might occur and optimize test cases, making your testing process not only faster, but smarter. What I find most exciting is the possibility of using AI to adapt to UI changes without having to resort to web scraping. This would significantly reduce the overhead involved in writing test scripts. Remember, learning is more effective when it's shared. Consider joining or forming study groups, contributing to open source testing projects, or mentoring others in your organization. For those looking to formalize their expertise, certifications in tools like Selenium WebDriver, ISTQB, and others could be a great way to validate your skills and advance your career. As we wrap up this course, I encourage you to set personal goals for continuing your education in test automation. Whether it's mastering a new tool, earning a certification, or leading a workshop, there is always a next step in your learning journey. Thank you for joining this course. I hope it's been as exciting for you as it has been for me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this course with your colleagues. Keep testing, keep learning, and I'll see you next time.